In this tutorial, we will show you how to adjust the massage selectors on your Sundance 880 series hot tub. Your spot comes with 2 massage selectors, one for each pump, so you can easily customize your massage with the turn of a dial. Start by facing both dials with the flat side toward the water. This makes sure all the seats get water with both pumps running. When you want to enhance the massage in a particular seat, turn the dial toward that seat. This sends all the water from that pump to the seat you choose, letting you fully customize the massage experience. The center position is great too. It keeps the flow balanced so you're never blasted out of a seat when you first turn the pump on. Now you're all set to get the perfect massage in your favorite spots. For more setup tips and features, be sure to explore other Sundance tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.